Much? No, the F-18 stock. What are you talking about?
Wow. 2 stock frames in one day, right?
F-18 stock. And I like it stock.
So this is a good thing. This is one of the things that you don't really use it all.
No, I don't. Doesn't need it at all.
I don't know anyone. FMS makes good stuff, from what I've heard. From my experience.
All right, so if you want to fly together, I'll follow you. How's that? And then you just do your thing, and then I'll keep up with you.
We gotta wait for Frank to get his jet chaser, the pusher prop thing he has.
Ah! Weather vane.
You got off-road tires.
I don't want to ruin it though. I just got this thing Friday.
If you want it to steer better, hold up elevator.
Yeah, hold it. Because you'll put more weight on it.
Put more weight on the tail. Just turn right there. There you go.
China cleared.
Yep.
Heritage, it's one of those things.
Take off flaps. Gear up, flaps out.
What?
I'm gonna stay
I
high.
don't have a hawk.
Would you want a hawk though?
I don't know.
They're nice planes.
Something's wrong here.
Okay?
I don't know. No, I'm okay, but maybe it was the wind. Don't fly through the sun.
But I understand what you're saying because it could blind you, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, something's not right. I gotta come in. I don't know what the heck's going on.
I got 4 minutes left. So
Gear down.
I don't know what's going on here.
I got you. Meow. Like World War II all over again.
Keeps dipping a wing, and I don't know why.
If I only had a Japanese zero, I don't have to be golden. But, and I don't want one.
Landing flaps.
Why is it dipping a wing?
You know why?
No, I gotta see what it. Maybe it's just the wind.
Hey, what happened?
It's doing something weird. I don't know what.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Flaps up.
Oh no. Oh no. Shut down.
Other elevator?
I'm like, what the heck?
Why is it rolling?
Something doesn't feel right.
See, having both elevators.
It is important.
Nah.
I might have unplugged them. Let me see here.
You got some loose wires.
Because I'm like, why does it feel all weird?
Might
Yeah.
have a couple loose wires in there somewhere.